Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I've got a BJ's haul for you right now. Everything here was about $165 with tax and everything. I'm going to start on this side. I did grab a few things for my mom. I have a BJ's membership. My mom does not. So the times that I go, I'll just ask her every once in a while if there's anything she wants me to pick up for her, and she'll just give me the money. So I got my Natural Bliss sweet cream coffee creamer. This is the only one I pretty much use now. I just really like it. I'm not a huge fan of like the flavored creamers, but my husband likes them, so I get this for me. This is an item that my mom wanted for my dad. Apparently he likes this, which I never knew. But it's the Cracker Barrel Sharp White Cheddar Macaroni and Cheese. I had no idea he liked this, but apparently he likes this, and there was a $3 off coupon, so that was really good. I need olive oil. I go through quite a bit of it from cooking all the time. These were $14.99, and then there was a $4 off coupon, so I got two of them for about $11, which I thought was a great deal. These are amazing. If you are a fan of antipasti salad, I highly recommend these if you have a BJ's membership. I actually got one for the first time for my son's birthday to put out, which you guys have already seen that What's for Dinner video, and you probably saw what it looked like outside the package. But it was surprisingly good. So I grabbed two. I got one for Thanksgiving to bring to my mom's, just to put out in a little dish, and then I got another for Matt and I, because it was that good. They are $6.99, and it has olives, mushrooms, red peppers, and provolone cheese. I eat everything but the provolone, and Matt loves the provolone. Again, they were $6.99 a piece, and they were absolutely delicious. I got this Near East rice pilaf for my mom. Really good price on this. It was $6.99 for 6 of them. So I grabbed that for her. This was on sale, $3 off coupon, so it was $8.99 with a $3 off coupon, and my son eats one of these every single day. So I got a pack of these, and it was great that I got the $3 off. So it has blueberry and strawberry. There was a really good coupon on this. I've never tried this brand, the Legal Seafoods brand, but I heard it's really good. My father-in-law actually really likes it, and we love corn chowder and we love shrimp. And I've mentioned lately we've been liking to have like a hot sandwich and some kind of a soup. I do love making homemade soups, but these are just so convenient, especially for like a quick dinner or lunch. And now my son's therapy schedule has changed a bit, so there's a couple nights we don't get home till like 6 p.m. Anyways, there was a $3 off coupon on this, so I think after the coupon it was about $7 to $8, and there's two larger portions here, so I can get 2 different dinners or lunches out of this. I got some Sargento Colby Jack cheese sticks for my husband's lunches, which he loves, and this is like $6.99. These are the best cleaners for your sink. My sink has a couple little things in it, but it just gets my sink so sparkling clean. It doesn't scratch it at all. And I clean my sink once or twice a week. So $6.99, big 50 pack. This will last me a very long time, probably about 6 months to be honest. So I got that. Great deal on those. I got the Nellie's free range large brown eggs, the cage free, and these were $4.49, and there was $1 off like clipless coupon. So I thought that was a pretty great deal, and we go through about a dozen of eggs every week despite anything, so that was a good deal. Got some Goldfish for my son. This is his like #1 ride or die snack. These had a clipless coupon as well, so they were $48. These are the smaller bottles, guys, like the 8-ounce bottles. I keep one of these in my bag a lot of the time. My son takes 1 or 2 to school every day. I know that it's a lot of plastic, but we do recycle and bring it back to the, you know, to get the deposit. But with my son, he's a special needs child, so I have learned when I have sent him to school with like a regular water bottle, if that makes sense. And what I mean by that is like, you know, a reusable water bottle or cup. They don't come home, and I never see them again. He just either throws it out, not realizing that he's not supposed to be doing that. But anyways, that's why I go with these, because if he throws it out by accident or the school just recycles it, it's fine, and I'm not out a water bottle, if that makes sense. And my son really likes these, and we just like them because it keeps all of our water bottles safe and in our possession. So this was a great deal. This was a toy I saw my last BJ's trip. And I told my mom about it because she's always on the hunt for Christmas gifts for him. It was $29.99. My son loves anything Nintendo, Mario, Luigi, so my mom gave me $30 to pick this up for Grady for Christmas, so I grabbed that for her, and there was actually not that many left. And then lastly, you guys know I'm a wipes junkie, and my son, even though he is not in diapers, he still needs to be wiped. And we also use wipes for cleaning our hands, cleaning little messes around the house. So we go through a lot of wipes still. And actually my husband even likes baby wipes to use for when he's going to the bathroom. Sorry if that's TMI, but we just go through a lot of wipes. So these, it is an 11 pack of wipes. So there's 100 in each container. I've never tried this brand of wipes. I've heard great things. I went with the ultra sensitive mainly because it was the best bang for your buck. So these ended up being $1.81 per container. I hope that makes sense. So I'll let you guys know how those are. Obviously, if they're good, you'll see me purchase them again. And that's everything from BJ's that I got. So after this, there is either going to be another haul or a meal plan, or both. So you guys will just have to stay tuned and see. Hey guys, so here's my meal plan for the week. I did intend on going to another grocery store besides BJ's this week, but it just didn't work out. Grady had a half day Monday, Tuesday it snowed, and then he is off, you know, he was off Wednesday, Thursday, and obviously today on Friday, so I just did not have the opportunity to. So I'm hoping next week to go to Whole Foods and do a pretty good size haul, and hopefully get everything I need in one shot. I know the past month has been like a couple, 2 to 3 kind of smaller hauls each week, and I'm hoping to try to get back on track and just do one larger haul each week. So again, I'm hoping to go to Whole Foods next week. It depends on the weather. We've been getting a lot of snow here, and Whole Foods is about an hour away from me. So fingers crossed that I can make it there. But the upcoming week, Sunday, the 25th through Saturday, December 1st. That is right, December 1st is coming quickly. So one night I'm going to do the shrimp and corn chowder that I got at BJ's with some grilled cheese for a quick easy dinner, probably on a therapy night for my son. I have some frozen chicken wings in my downstairs freezer, so I'm going to thaw those out, season them up, and bake them off, and I'll do some rice pilaf and some glazed carrots. I'm going to try a new recipe one night, which you guys will see in an upcoming What's for Dinner video, which will be not the next dinner video, but the one after that. It is a copycat recipe for the Alice Springs chicken, which is an Outback dish. I'll actually link down below in the description box the copycat recipe in case you want to check it out. I'm going to do it with some mashed potatoes and some kind of a little side salad. I'm hoping that can come out good so I can add it to my kind of regular meals, you know, every 6 weeks or so. I'm going to do some stuffed zucchini boats with turkey meat, probably like a taco kind of thing, taco vibe. I do have a video on this. I'll link it down below. I'll do it with salad and bread. I'm going to do some pulled pork. I actually have some pulled pork that I made in a food prep video a couple weeks back that I froze half, so I'm going to thaw it out and make some pulled pork tacos with a cabbage slaw. Again, you guys will see most of these things in an upcoming What's for Dinner video. For my no meat night, I'm just going to do a simple minestrone soup with ditalini pasta and bread. It's pretty much just like a tomato sauce and vegetable broth based soup with beans and veggies and pasta, because obviously there's no meat. And then one night I allotted for either, I call it a freebie night, which is either leftovers, breakfast for dinner, or I just kind of freestyle and make whatever I want. But anyways, hopefully a week from today, I will have a decent sized week when I can do one grocery haul. Hoping to get to Whole Foods if the weather cooperates. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Please be safe out there if you are doing your Christmas shopping. And I will see you guys in my next video.